Hey mathematicians! Like our learning target said today, we're going to be deciding if a word problem requires addition or subtraction to solve. Remember, addition means that you're taking two groups and putting them together to find the total. Subtraction is when you start with one group, but you're taking some away to find how many would be left. So let's get started. Let's try addition first. So here's the problem. Miss Ennis is going to read it to you. Miss Ennis had 4 dogs and Mrs. Colgrove had 3 dogs. How many dogs do they have all together? Let's think about some words in this problem that might tell me I'm going to need to use addition. Well, I see that word all together. So that tells me I'm going to be thinking about all of them. What is the total number of dogs? Miss Ennis has some dogs, Mrs. Colgrove has some dogs. Are any dogs being taken away? No, we're putting them together. So that definitely tells me I'm going to need addition. So I could write the addition sentence, 4 add 3, and let's count up the dogs. Let's do Miss Ennis's first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to add in Mrs. Colgrove's dogs. 1, 2, 3. You can see my group of 4. That was the original group that we started with, and the 3 more that are being added in. That gives us a total of 7 dogs, all together. Now let's try subtraction. Sometimes subtraction is a little trickier, but we want to listen for words like take away, how many are left, to help us know that we're going to need subtraction. There were 10 ducks floating on the pond. 4 ducks flew away. How many ducks are floating on the pond now? There's some key words in this problem that help me know it's subtraction, like flew away. So that tells me that some of the ducks are leaving. They flew away. Then the now tells me how many are left. So let's look at this on your screen. I could write the equation 10 take away 4. And another way for solving subtraction is to think of it kind of like a number bond. I started with 10, 4 are being taken away, so what's that other number that would help me get to 10? Here are cubes. I could solve it with cubes. So I drew the 10 ducks that were in the pond, but 4 of them have flown away, which leaves me with 6 ducks. So that would be a subtraction problem. For your exit ticket today, you are going to talk to your caregiver about the 2 problems on your screen. You are going to decide if it is an addition or a subtraction problem. Let's look at letter A. Alexis has $8. She spends $2 at the store. How much money does she have left? Already some words that are jumping out at me. Spends, left. Think about, are you putting together or are you taking away? And then tell your caregiver if you need addition or subtraction. Let's look at letter B. 9 friends are in a swimming pool. 2 friends get out. How many friends are still in the pool? Same thing here. Some words are jumping out at me. Get out, still in. Decide if you need addition or subtraction. Awesome job, mathematicians. Double thumbs up for you.